Hey vlog, let's go do some farm chores. We're in the truck today. We in the big truck. I can't see. Maybe I can set you there. This thing, it's kind of hard to drive because we're just gonna be sideways. It's kind of hard to drive because the gas pedal, you have to freaking crank it all the way to the ground before it moves. But it's a beautiful day out. We've got to go feed the horse and the dog. Okay, first we have to unplug the tractor. So, why it's plugged up, let me look and see where it's plugged up. It's cold out. It's not super cold out right now, but when it's cold out, since it's a diesel, pretty sure you have to plug it up to warm it up. So, got to unplug it. Okay. Then we're gonna take Ruby for a little walk around the field. Than normal. You could walk forever here. One of these trees is a sassafras tree. Comment below if you know what a sassafras tree is. I think they used to make like tea with it. My grandpa eats sassafras candy all the time. Okay. Gonna sit here. My dad just called me. I'm gonna wait for him to call me back and talk to him. I got a little grease from the tractor on my jacket, so hopefully that's my fault, but hopefully I can wash it out. Okay, we're gonna get feed for the horse, some grain with molasses, and mostly that, and then some corn. We just have one colt. It's a mare, I guess. In the barn right now. We have a few more horses. Maybe I can show you today. I see them over there. We have 3 other horses that are out to pasture. And then we have, shoot, I don't know how many more. We have some different part of the farm, some babies with their moms. Most of them are just turned out right now. And then the one that's down here in the barn, it has to be worked with. It's so wild, so that's why it's down here. The people who can work with it have had a lot of injuries lately, so she's just chilling in there, but we're gonna go see her. This is her. We've got to brush her, and she's got her winter coat. She's kind of wild, I don't know. She goes a little crazy. I'm gonna get her some hay now. barn used to be a dairy barn, but my family went out of the dairy business a long time ago. Now, well, it's been a while since even that much, but we used it to just like treat our, we had a beef farm. We just used it. We would put the cows in there when we need to cut their horns or give them shots and things like that. Okay, got everything done. I have a call at 5:30. It's 5. So we're gonna speed it back home. Somehow there's a hay bale in the creek. Not sure how that happened.